This is Factory Fridays from boats.com, the show where we visit builders across America to get a first-hand look at their boat building techniques, materials, and stories.
Hello, I'm Marilyn, DeMartini, and welcome to Factory Fridays on boats.com. We're here outside of Miami in Medley, Florida, to visit the new SeaVee factory. This facility was just built last year, in part to accommodate their flagship 450Z. We took that boat for a ride, and it was fabulous. So let's go inside and see what makes SeaVee tick. Hi, John.
Hi, Marilyn. Welcome to SeaVee Boats.
Thanks, it's good to be here.
It's great having you here.
We're here with John Caballero, the Director of Sales and Marketing for SeaVee. And John, we're enthused to see this new facility. It's beautiful.
Well, thank you very much, and we're very happy that you're here. We've been here now about a year and a half and delighted with the end result. We've been able to pull all the operations of the company to one campus. Why don't I just show you around and you'll see.
Sounds good, let's go.
Okay.
This is really beautiful, John. Very modern, and I love the aquatic theme throughout.
Thank you. That was the intent. So here are the main offices for sales, marketing, engineering, accounting. The owners of the companies operates from this floor as well. We have conference rooms. Of course, we have a lunchroom for office staff, and this is the nerve center of the company up here on the second floor.
So everything's consolidated in one place, so that must facilitate communications as well as operations.
It makes things a lot easier.
So the factory leads right out from here?
That's right. We're going to go down this hallway, go downstairs, and check out where the boats are built.
Let's go see things in action.
Good.
So this is where it all starts.
This is the early stage of boat building process right here. So what we do is we deliver a folder containing the information about the boat to this department, and among the things that they begin to do here is to cut material very precisely using a CNC machine. In fact, we have two of them. We have a 2-axis CNC machine to cut fiberglass, and we have a 3-axis CNC machine to cut all the core material. Now, at the end of the day, we deliver a kit to the Lamination Department made up of all this pre-cut material. It's identified. They know exactly where to use it, how to use it, and it's part of the quality control process here at SeaVee Boats.
The precision is really important now with the use of infusion in your boats. It's not like you can catch things in here and there.
There's no
anymore.
leeway. You know, a hand-built boat, you have a little discretion on how you use your material, not when you infuse it. It really has to come together perfectly as a jigsaw puzzle, because the boat is constructed initially dry, with all dry materials, so it has to fit very precisely inside the mold.
So we're going to head that direction next?
We are.
Let's go.
Okay.
You can really see the process here, right? Starting from the barrel of resin.
That's how the boat starts, more or less, right? A barrel of resin, also the pre-cut material that we've seen at the CNC department. All that raw material arrives here. This is the main lamination department. This is where the big structures are built. We have another facility, another building, better said, right next door, where the small parts are laminated. But this is where the hull, the deck, and the cap are all manufactured right here.
So everything in the boat is core construction?
That's right. It's closed cell structural foam of different densities, different weight, different material. It's all in the engineering schedule, because quality is not just one thing, right? It's a lot of things, a lot of little things sometimes, all coming together, and at the end of the day, delivering the quality that our customers expect.
Let's see what's next.
Let's look.
So here we see all the precisely cut pieces put together, all laid out and ready for lamination.
So Marilyn, as we walked through lamination, you saw there are a lot of molds, a lot of activity. We build a lot of different boats here, different sizes. This happens to be the 45, currently the biggest boat that we build. This boat is almost ready for the infusion process to begin. You see that all the dry material is in place, or most of it anyway. So the glass, obviously the gel coat, the skin coat, the bulkheads, the stringers, everything is now in position, and the whole dry material that you see here is infused evenly with resin. It's a beautiful process from the standpoint that you end up with a very high quality laminate. It's just the ideal way to build a boat today.
So what's next?
Well, now we need to walk over to the other side of the building where production takes place.
All right, let's go.
All right. So Marilyn, this is another example of that quality mosaic that I was talking about earlier. In this case, we're looking at fuel tanks. And the last problem you want to have on a boat is a problem with your fuel tank. So we start with a thick wall aluminum structure for the tank. In this case, it's a 1/4 inch thick. You could see the robust weld on the corner. That's to make sure that the integrity of the fuel tank is maintained. And then, which is an important step, is some people think aluminum doesn't corrode. Well, in fact, it does. While it shouldn't have a lot of contact with water, in the event that it does, we want to protect the integrity of the aluminum. So you can see that there's also a very thick, robust coating to protect the fuel tank, and it'll protect it for the life of the boat. Just another one of those elements of quality that makes up the overall performance of the boat when we deliver it to the customer.
The SeaVee difference.
That's right.
Let's keep going. So here we are in finishing.
Here we are in finishing. So we're done with the lamination process. When the boat is pulled out of the mold, and we use these overhead cranes, these yellow cranes that you see throughout the factory. The boat is pulled out of the mold and it goes into a trim process. That's on the other side of that garage door that's behind your back.
That's
And
where you have all the clean edges.
that's
and
right.
it's ready
They
for
remove all
polish.
the excess material, they open up the hatches. It's a dusty process, but it has to get done. Then the boat ends up here in finishing, as you correctly stated. They're staged here for a purpose, and that is to make sure that any blemish, any scratch, any imperfection in the gel coat is managed right here. All of that is taken care of. We've polished the boat. We want the boat looking its best even before it goes into the production line. So that entire process, as I mentioned, takes place here in the finishing. Then we go into the assembly process.
Let's go check that out.
Let's check it out. So Marilyn, here's our rigging station for the consoles, and we rig them here because it's easier for the rigger to work than actually trying to perform the task on the boat. And I think what you'll notice, hopefully the camera will pick this up, is the precise work that our electricians perform. Literally on a SeaVee, you could follow practically any wire from source to destination with your finger. That's how it's laid out. It's a hallmark of quality, but it's also practical, because if you ever want to add something to your boat in the future, it's easy to do. Every wire is easy to trace. The bus bars are all organized. Just something that makes owning a SeaVee a little more special.
And with all the technology that's being put on these boats now, from sound, from navigation, from operation, there's so much that goes into this phase.
It's important. It's the backbone of the boat in terms of electrical systems. Problems are unheard of in the SeaVee.
So now we're almost to the finishing point.
We're just about there.
Let's check it out. This is a busy place.
So here we are, Marilyn, in the heart of assembly. And what you'll see is the boats in all various stages of the build process. The boat that's behind me that you're looking at is a lot of subsystems have already been installed. You'll see that it has the trim tabs on. So a lot of work taking place. And as we move further down the building, you'll see the boats evolving. There'll be more finished until we finally get to a point where you'll see a SeaVee ready for delivery.
So you've got everything coming together in one package.
There's a lot going on. They're like small little floating cities.
Let's see the end product.
Let's see it.
So the swimming pool, the ultimate test.
Well, it's not the ultimate test, but it's a pleasant test, right? We have water right here in the factory. It's a place that it's important to us that as we near the assembly process, we could examine the boat very carefully in terms of making sure all the subsystems are working, the plumbing, the integrity of the plumbing, generators, seakeeper, bait well, pumps. If there's an issue, it's taken care of right here on the spot. But we still have to do that open water test. So the boat ultimately will go out to the docks, we'll run the boat, because that's the only way you could check the engines under load. We will set up the autopilot, the radar, things of that nature. By that time, the boat is pretty much finished. It comes to little final detailing, a wash, some wax, make it look its best. And then it's time to make that phone call to the customer and schedule the happy day for delivery.
Do we have a boat that's finished
We
that
do.
we can go check out?
We do, yes.
Let's go. So through all these steps, we come to the final product, final detailing, and then it's out the door.
We're finally here.
What a sense of accomplishment.
It is a sense of accomplishment. You know, it's very rewarding to know that we're in an industry where we bring customers a lot of joy, a lot of happiness.
So in about 200,000 square feet of new space, about 30 or more boats under production at the same time, nearly 300 people working here. You've accomplished a lot at SeaVee.
Thank you. Yes, well, we get tired every once in a while, but we thoroughly enjoy being here and what we do.
Well, that's why they say SeaVee leads the way. Thank you for joining us at Factory Fridays. Stay tuned to boats.com for more.
This is Factory Fridays from boats.com. Follow boats.com on YouTube and Instagram to stay tuned for the next episode. Visit boats.com for more videos and boat-related content. Boats.com. Everything boats.